Pero ngayon, as I look back, buwisit kang malanding Gianna ka. Bakit ka kinilig diyan? Ni walang plano yan.
Oo.
Hindi ko rin naintindihan sarili ko, bakit ako kinilig nung time na yun? Dapat hindi eh.
Alam mo na ano na ang difference ng dalawa. Kasi yung
Hmm,
isa, plano niya lang. Gusto niya ng plano based sa
mm.
gusto niyang plan. Pero he didn't ask you kung gusto mo ba yun or hindi. Yung isa naman, he asked whether may plan or wala, even if sabog, spontaneous. Pero he asked you. You
Oo.
felt like you're being.
Oo, may part kasi na may mauna kaming conversation na na-mention niya na adventurous siya and napansin niya rin sa profile ko na adventurous akong klase ng tao.
Yung difference
Yeah.
lang yung pangalawa kasi, even if hindi siya planado or spontaneous, but deeply you felt like connected to him because he always makes you feel included wherever he is, even if telling a story lang, pero he always share it to you, so you felt like you were with him. You've been felt
Mm.
included.
That you play. Come on, you want it.